Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Guys, if you are using the Xiaomi phone, then you may hear about super wallpaper. When you update your Miui version, you'll get this super wallpaper in your phone wallpaper section. But sometimes you may not get this super wallpaper after updating your Miui version. So guys, in this video I'll show you how you can easily get this super wallpaper on your Xiaomi phone if you did not get this super wallpaper after updating your Xiaomi phone. It is really super easy. So let's start the video after a small intro. So guys, for this process you need to download two apps. First one is Quick Shortcut Maker. You'll find this app at Google Play Store. It is a free app. I'm using my Xiaomi Note 9 Pro phone for doing this process. So go to your Google Play Store and search Quick Shortcut Maker. And under the personalization section you'll find this app, so just download and install it. I already installed this app. After installing this app, download this app. You'll find this app download link in this video description, or you can message me on my Facebook fan page. After downloading this app, install it. I already installed this app. After installing this app, you will not see this app icon on your phone screen, but don't worry. Open your Quick Shortcut Maker app. Then under the activities section, you'll see all your phone apps. Now scroll down this page and find wallpaper. This one, open it. After opening it, you'll see the super wallpaper. This one, open it. And here you will see the try option. Click on it and you'll see your super wallpaper. Here you can see my super wallpapers. From this wallpaper, first one is downloaded, but these two you need to download. Just click on that wallpaper and it will download automatically. Now to set this wallpaper at your phone display, open any wallpaper, and here you can see the preview of this wallpaper. Now just click on apply and it will successfully set as your phone wallpaper. Here you can see it is successfully set as my phone wallpaper. It is really super cool. Now if I show you the final preview, here you can see it is lock screen wallpaper. Now if I unlock my phone, okay, here you can see the home screen wallpaper. Guys, in this way you can set other two super wallpaper on your phone screen. Guys, if I show you again the process, open your Quick Shortcut app. Under the activities section, find wallpaper. Open it, then open super wallpaper. Then click on try. Open your wallpaper and click on apply. So in this way you can set super wallpaper on your Xiaomi phone. I hope now you are able to do this process. If you face any problem or have any suggestion, please comment below or message me on my Facebook fan page. And if you are able to do this and like this video, please click on the like button. Subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos of this channel. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe at home. See you in the next video.